Okay then guys, let's have a look at question 4. We've got -4, -7, -10, -13, and it carries on in the same fashion, doesn't it, indefinitely. So we've got an infinite sequence here. We're starting from -4, and you'll notice the pattern. We take away a 3, don't we, to get to -7. Then if we take away 2 3s, we'll get to -10, this term here. Take away another 3 3s, and we'll get to -13, won't we? So let's try and write that down as though a pattern's trying to emerge then, shall we? So let's leave that first term as is at the moment. The 7 was -4 take 3, wasn't it? That was the 7. And then the next term, so we can add these. Plus and a minus is a minus, so you can put a plus in here. The 10 would be -4 minus 2 3s, because that's what we said, didn't we? And then the -13 would be -4 minus 3 3s. And then we've got to carry on that same pattern, haven't we? So, are we all happy for me to put a 1 in here? It's 1 3, 2 3s, 3 3s. So that's -7, isn't it? This is -10. This is -13. So the only problem area is this term here. How are we going to write this in the same form as these, or the same pattern? Can you see what's happening? -1 3, -2 3s, -3 3s. How many 3s do I need to take away from -4 to get -4? Well, I need to take away no 3s. So I can write that as 0 times 3. Agreed, and that's still -4. I haven't changed the number, but I've written it in the same form or pattern as the subsequent terms, okay? So everything else is invariant, isn't it? Remains basically fixed. The only thing that changes in these terms is the counting digits. See it? 0, 1, 2, and 3. Everything else is identical. So I can try and write that down as a pattern then. 4 minus 3r's, agreed? When r is 0. And the next one would be -4 minus 3r's when r equals 1, yeah? And then the next one would be -4 minus 3r's when r equals 2. So it looks like we're fairly happy with this, doesn't it? -4 minus 3r's when r equals 3, and it carries on in the same manner. So it looks like we're fairly happy with this, doesn't it? So we've got that. Okay, good. Well, that's it then, isn't it? That's our sigma notation. So that's equal to then, it's the sum of the -4 minus 3r's, there they all are there, start from 0, and it's an infinite series, isn't it? So we can write it like so. Okay then, that's question 4 done. Good.